What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? I knew it. I knew it. Now, if you're like me and you've been on the hunt for, shoes and you've been waiting for them to go ahead and dip in price, well, right now, especially right now in this current economy that we got going on, you are in luck. And if you've been on the hunt for these dunks just like me, I told you to wait and not pay those crazy prices because I just knew the price was gonna go down on these, and they did. Nike restocked them, and the shoe that we're taking a look at today is the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry colorway, and this is just a very exquisite colorway, very nice pair of dunks. And I told you guys, I can't even remember how many times I told you guys. I just knew these things were gonna dip in price, and now you can find these things literally for $100, maybe in some sizes lower. So hey, if you've been wanting these for a while, right now might be the nice time to go ahead and cop them. So with that said, let's take a look at these babies right now. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid, Right. It is so good to see y'all yet again. Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, looking at the color choice we got on today, I went with the Nike tee with my tan Cabela's hat, and I feel like the tan hat kind of matches today's sneaker theme perfectly. I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review. Now, the sneaker that we're taking a look at was the sneaker that dropped in, if I'm not mistaken, 2020 or 2021. And this shoe used to be up there in price like so many other shoes. But like I told you guys in the past couple of videos, no sneaker is safe. And the brand that we're taking a look at today is Nike. And we are finally taking a look at, I've been wanting these for a while, but I just knew the price was going to dip because I knew the restocks was coming, and it finally happened. Today we're taking a look at the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry colorway. Now, with the retail price being $125, at one point this was one of those shoes, I want to say it was part of the COVID hype, because when around 2020 everybody had that extra money and everybody had just tons of different options to go ahead and make money, but that was the reason why a lot of shoes did go ahead and sell. But now, due to the fact that the market is definitely down for a lot of shoes, these plummeted as well. And with this being the second restock, these have definitely went back. And I'm really excited because finally I knew these were going to go ahead and eventually restock, and they eventually did. And it's so crazy to see that you're able to get it at a very affordable price point now. So with all that said, before we take a look at these Nike Dunk Low medium curry, I just want to go ahead and say thank you guys so much for all the love and support. I want to go ahead and give you guys a shout out. So let's get straight into it right now. Okay. First and foremost, let me just start off by saying thank you guys for all the love and the support. Seriously, thank you guys for all the love and the support. You guys really mean a lot to me. This year, we've been putting a lot of effort into the channel, especially with just staying consistent with videos, and your guys' comments from people I've met at work or people I've met outside, from comments all over the world. I look at all your guys' comments, and I just want you guys to know you guys always bring a smile to my face, and I'm very blessed to be in the position I am to be able to bring reviews for you guys. So it is greatly appreciated. If you haven't already, definitely make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That way, anytime I drop a video like you see right here, you can be the first alerted and notified. Also as well, if you want to go ahead and get featured like you see right here, engage with the channel. I want to go ahead and feature you guys' comments because you have no idea how much I love doing this for you guys. Seriously, it's a fun time, it's a great time, and more importantly, it's a way for me to give back to you guys, just because you guys do just so much. As we go ahead and we climb these milestones, there's things I want to do for you guys, so I want you guys to go ahead and actually be welcome to the family, welcome to the channel, and I want you guys to go ahead and get your shout out. So really go ahead and comment down below and let me know. So with all that said, finally it is time to look at the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry colorway at long last. Let's go. All right, so here we go right here. Pulled out the old knife. I haven't used this knife in such a long time, so let me go ahead and actually open up. I did go ahead and hit on Nike. I did go ahead and hit on the restock that took place. Now, there was a shock drop, and then there also was an actual drop date that they went ahead and decided. And for the most part, these things didn't even sell out. Like, there's still a lot of pairs still on Nike. And when I went over, just because I was just being kind of, you know, curious, I was like, let me see what the market's gonna be like for that. Prices are super low. You can find these things literally for like $100 right now on secondary markets if you can't find it on retail markets. But I will go ahead and leave a link in the description where you can find it. I know Nike has it. I know there's different sites that have it. I know Kith has it too, and just check it out because you can really snag these things right now for dirt cheap. So let's go ahead and get the box right here. Let's put that down. And nothing crazy with the box. As you can see right here, you do have like all of your regular standard dunks. It does come in your all red box. And then you got your Nike logo smack in the middle right there. Let's go ahead and pan to go ahead and read the size description right here. So let's go ahead and read Nike Dunk Low Retro PRM Premium size 11. Finally, we got them. It does read Sail Fossil Medium Curry. This is SKU code DD13. 90-100. And if you've never owned a Nike Dunk Low before, it does fit very true to size. Let's go ahead and pan it, as you can see right here, and feel free to go ahead and pause that just in case you can't go ahead and find it on these sites. You can put it into these secondary markets to go ahead and scoop it up. And like I said, these things are going for really dirt cheap right now, so perfect time to be a sneakerhead. No sneaker is safe right now. So let's go ahead and finally lift this up, give you guys a really good perspective and angle so you can see. Let's go ahead and lift it up right here and greet it with the lift up. As you see, nothing crazy, just your regular tissue paper. But as we pull these things back, ooh, I'm ready to see what this hairy suede looks like in person. And 3, 2, and 1, here we go. Right here. Yes, finally, man. Finally. This is one of those dunks that I was honestly wanting for a good minute too, and I knew, I'm telling you, that restock was gonna happen. And a lot of people in the community, a lot of you guys have told me that this is one of your all-time favorite dunks too, which I can see it though. I can see it. Very neutral, very calm. I mean, you got the nice suede action on that. Very, very lovely. Crazy to think that at one point this shoe was going for almost $400, but not anymore. So let's go ahead and pull out the other pair and let's take a closer perspective right now. Boom, here we go. Right here, we got the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry colorway. And oh, dude, you just gotta love this one. This one is a really good one. You got the neutral colors, you got the nice suede action it has on there, and even the material is so nice. You got the suede strokes right there. It looks very, very pretty. So let's go ahead and see which one we want to go ahead and review. The right one is speaking with me, the left one's speaking to me as well, but we are going with the right. So let's go ahead and put this down and let's take a look at the right. So looking at the bottom of the outsole right here, you get a nice brown outsole, and I love this one too because it looks very, very just neutral, like very, very neutral. Goes with a lot. As you can see right there, why is it kind of ashy right there? What's going on here? As you can see right here, you do go ahead and get your Nike logo, which is right there in the middle of the outsole. As we come to the midsole, they did decide to go ahead and give us with a white midsole. Kind of a little bit, it has a little bit of that sail cream color to it as well. Goes all the way around the entirety of the sneaker. Coming up to the side panels right here, they decide to give us a nice brown, medium curry, hairy suede action right there. I want the camera to pick that up right here and check it out. Let's give it a little action right there. See, looks very, very nice. As you come back, as you see right here, you do go ahead and get yourself a nice tan swoosh that goes all the way up. You get hit with more of the suede, but this one's more of a lighter white suede right there. As we come up to the toe box, you get hit with more of that white suede right there. As you come to the laces are kind of done in a white but sail color as well. Look very, very nice, very, very premium. As we come up to the Nike, the tongue right there, as you can see right there, the tongue does go ahead and say Nike, which is done in brown. And as we come up to the insole right here, as you can see, insole in there is brown. It does have that sail Nike logo. Looking at the back right there, we get hit of the Nike, which is done in that brown. And then you do go ahead and get your patch right there, which is done in that sail too. Very, very lovely. And real quick, I know I didn't go ahead and talk about it, but usually in the last couple videos, I like to go ahead and talk about it. Let me talk about how the inspiration of the shoe, where it came from. Let's pull up the article from Sneaker Bar Detroit and talk about it a little bit more. So As you can see right here, dressed in a sail medium curry and fossil color scheme, the Nike Dunk Low features a full suede constructed upper with sail uppers, brown overlay and fossil colored swooshes, and heels. A sail midsole atop a curry rubber sole completes this design. And like I did go ahead and state as well, this did go ahead and release back in March 2021. March 29, 2021, and the shock drop was May 8th for 2024 for this year, for a retail price of, it says 110, but it actually was 125. So it's really cool to see these actually bring this back. I'm loving Nike bring it back. I really am. And you know, I'm loving, this is the time right now to be a sneakerhead with everything being very affordable in terms of the sneakers. The current economy isn't affordable, but the sneakers right now, they are. So do let me know what you guys think about them. I definitely, if I can find them on sale, I will grab another pair, but only if I can find them on sale. These are a must-have for me. They are clean, very clean, but not really a must-have. It's just one of those shoes that I feel like, just because they're so nice, I wouldn't wear them a lot, if that makes sense. So very nice though. Let me know what you guys think about the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry, guys. Okay, so really quick, before we go ahead and actually cut to the on-feet review, I want to give you guys a closer perspective, just because, you know, if you are on the fence of maybe you went ahead and purchased them this past week when they dropped and you're like, I don't know, waiting to see exactly if you're going to get them or not, then this review can assist with that, get you a little more ramped up, a little more excited. That way when they actually come in, you know exactly what to be expecting. So let's get a closer perspective, shall we? So here we go. Right here we got the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry colorway, and I'm telling you, back in 2020, was it one when these dropped? This was a very hot shoe. This shoe sold super fast. Not only that, it was selling for a good amount of money. A lot of people like it, and I think it's just because it's very neutral, right? You got brown, you got your light brown, you got your tans, you got your suedes in there, and it's a good dunk. It's a very good dunk. The quality on it is very lovely, and I think dunks like this is, you know, like, we've gotten so many different packs in the past. Dunks like this, a lot of people always gravitate towards because it's very easy to wear, and it's very also, it's a good dunk. It's lovely. It's really lovely. But take a look at the midsole, outsole, take a look at the laces. I think they did a great job on this one, and you know, I was kind of worried to see that due to the fact they may restock it, the quality might be bad, but this is perfect, exactly how I remembered them. So I'm very happy to actually have these. So do let me know, guys, what you think over the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry color way. Oh, like I always say, ladies and gentlemen, this has been the review over the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry colorway. Hey man, these are a good one. These are a good one. If you're like me and you've been waiting for shoes that, like, you know, that you missed out on and you really want to grab them right now, especially these right now, I'm talking really dirt cheap. You can find these things literally for like 98 bucks, $100. So definitely go ahead and check it out. Capitalize on the market while you can, because there's no telling how long it will stay like this though. But I always greatly appreciate you guys. Seriously, you guys do so much. So much for me. It really means a lot. The consistency, the love, it is not going unnoticed, seriously. So like always, remember, it's only ever be one you, be the best you. And like always, y'all, love y'all very much. I will catch you in the next video. Peace.
Gems.